Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play video inside of my wonderful world. In today's video, actually a big announcement to make. It is my big announcement. It's my birthday! Hooray! It's my birthday. So, anyways, we're going to be continuing my house, but tonight I'm going to be having some friends join us in the video. And so, yeah, so I'm going to have some friends tonight, just like I announced in the last video. And we're going to be making a special video, which I will announce tonight. Ooh, wonderful. So, yeah, in today's video, we're just going to continue working on my house until tonight, and then tonight, well, not the entire day, we're not gonna work on it, but and tonight we're gonna have some of my volunteer friends coming. Not volunteer, I don't know, some of my helpers coming, as Stampy puts it. We'll say that. None of them talk. But, eventually we'll be doing some videos where they can talk, but in this video, I don't think we'll be talking. It all depends. Who knows? Anyways, guys, so yeah, my bedroom is complete. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So now we're going to work on kind of like down here. Parts. I'm going to fill in this part. Down here. So, yeah, down here. So probably what we're going to do. Oh, wow, sorry. Oh god, this is a spider. Hello, spider. How's your day going, buddy? I don't like spiders. They freak me out. Kind of. I mean, not too bad, but I mean, still, it's a spider! It's a tarantula. I've actually held a tarantula. I went to a museum and I get to hold one. It was fun. Anyways, I'm getting really off track right here. So, we're going to try and build my house. Continue building my house. Now my bedroom's basically complete. I just gotta add the ceiling, basically. And then, yeah. My, bedroom will be 100% complete. I mean, I may add a few, I don't know, touches while out. Seems like a glitch. Okay, so, oh god. I thought I hurt you. I thought you went away. Stay back. Off my, oh wow, you're climbing up. There you go. Fell right in front of me. That scared me. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna try and continue building my house walls right here. So yeah, oh frig. So okay, and then oh boy. Okay. Also, I'm gonna start doing shout out videos. So like, if you guys like comment something or send me like a picture on my Instagram page, Luxury Creeper, then I will do shout out winners. Either that or the first one to comment, I subscribed. The first one to comment that, or one of the I'll try and find the first person to comment, and then they'll be the shout out winners. So basically, I'll put their gamer tag picture in the beginning of my video when I'm doing my intro, which I'm working on an intro right now. And so yeah, I'm editing and working on it, and then I'll do like a shout out winners too. And so yeah, that's good. Oops, sorry, that was my mouse fell. Oh, frig. So yeah, like I said in the last video, I did have to restart, but a video or two ago, I can't remember. I did have to restart, and now I'm making my video titles different. I'm not like naming them really long, like Minecraft PC Let's Play. I'm just doing like in those little fancy quotation thingies. I don't know what you call them. I'm just doing like video number. I think we're on video number 8. I think 8 or 9. So yeah. You know, this is kind of boring, me just building my house. feel like we should do something. You know, I did have a plan on the agenda where I was going to build a statue of myself eventually somewhere, like the Electric Cooper statue. But I don't know. Like tonight, we can't do that though because we have a special video planned. Like, I don't know, I can fill you in actually. No, I can't really fill you in, can I? Actually, yes, I can. I mean, there's gonna be a door right here. So that's something you'll see in my bedroom. From my bedroom, the magical painting. And guess where it leads to? It goes to my bedroom. Whoa! Cool. Anyway, so yeah, that's one little trick you figure out. Yeah, so anyways, so yeah, here's my nice little bedroom. It's nice. I might add some more, you know, oozes and ahs. Anyway, so yeah, you know, I'm kind of bored building my house, so probably what I'm gonna do, I guess, is I could probably what I could just do is I could start working on my statue. I guess, yeah, I guess we could do that. So we'd need this wool, we need some black wool, so, and it'll give you a glimpse of what my future skin's gonna look like, because I haven't bought it yet. I'm working on buying it. I just haven't really had time. Alright, we're gonna need some gray wool too. So, wool, look up, wool. Alright, so we're gonna need some light gray wool. Alright, and then we're gonna need why don't we build I kinda wanna build my statue in survival. That's fine, I guess we can build it in creative. Black wool, I think we got everything we need for now. So yeah, my statue, or I was planning to build it, right up here on this little mound right here. Kinda like maybe like right here. So yeah, so basically this is basically the skin I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna try and do the best I can to build it for you. I mean, I built a statue before of myself. 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 15. Okay, we're gonna go up like that. Sorry, it's a little glitchy. I don't know why it's doing that. It doesn't normally do that. Once in a while it may do that, I guess. Alright, and then hold on. Okay. Okay, and so yeah, we're just gonna start working my statue, I guess. I mean, well, we already have. So this is like one leg, I guess, or maybe could this be all the legs? No, I don't think that would work. It may. I don't know. Is this big enough to be all the legs? I don't know. That thing is this. I've been seeing those. I'm not exactly sure what they are. Knows that they can hurt you. Are those like dragons or something? I haven't played Minecraft for a while, and ever since I started my my new world, my mansion, sort of, in a way, I guess. I mean, kind of a mansion. It'll look a lot better eventually. I think we may have, so I guess we'll continue making them 3, 2, 3. So yeah, hopefully I can't wait for tonight. I hope you guys actually watch the video. It's gonna be a special birthday celebration video. It's gonna be really fun. You get to see my helpers. I think we have another one, like my. So one of my friends, his name is Maina38. He's coming, and then we have one of my friends who I think he's playing. In Coming to the World. His name is Dirtblock789, and then we have who else do we have? We have Warrior Lollipop will be playing. He's one of my helpers, really close friend of mine, and I know him very personally. You may wonder why. It's because he is my brother. He's the only brother I have who's in the creeper. Well, I have another brother who actually may join me. I don't think he'll join me tonight, but he'll be in a few of my other videos. So yeah, I have 2 brothers who will be joining me. Jet Desert 44454, and then we have Warrior Lollipop, who I'm pretty sure will be joining us tonight. And then we have Penguin Chef. I think Penguin Chef something, I don't know. And then I think, hold on, we have Warrior Lollipop, Penguin Chef, Maina38, and then I think we'll be having, I don't know, who else we'll be having, I don't know, we'll have someone else, I can't remember. Anyway, so here's the legs of my statue, hooray, I guess, and then we can go about, so his body will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what I could do? Since I don't have my creeper skin, I just realized I thought of something. So since I don't have my creeper skin, why don't I do, I guess gray's the closest color to black, I guess here, or silver. And then if I do a full iron armor, except for the helmet. And then if I do the boots. And then if I place on a creeper head, since I don't have my creeper skin yet, so yeah, I guess we could do this for now. I guess I'm the luxury creeper now, I guess. How does it look? I mean, I just want to verify how it looks. Oh, wow. God. So does that look good? Into a deep, dark world inside of a creeper. I mean, I think that, looks good. I don't know what you guys have on perspective, or don't you guys have on for perspective, right? What you guys have for opinions is what I meant to say. That was dumb. It came out weird. Anyway, so yeah, we're building the body right now. I could probably make like an inside to the statue and go up into it. So yeah. Okay. Also, I probably will be eventually playing Fortnite on the channel here on PC. Like, I'm really good on Xbox. Oh, I wouldn't say really good, but I'm quite good on Xbox. Not the best, but still quite good. But I'm gonna start playing on PC. I heard PC's pretty easy to get once you get used to it. There's that poor Enderman. And there's those thingies. Do you know what those are? They like airplanes? Like I don't really know what they are. Oh. Like are they some sort of dragon, maybe? I don't know. Guys, bye!